Hi, I'm Asher. I'm here to talk to you about the products that many of us or our families use every day. Most of us aren't aware that these products are tested on animals. Each year, more than 100 million animals, including mice, rats, frogs, dogs, cats, rabbits, hamsters, guinea pigs, monkeys, fish, and birds, are killed in U.S. laboratories for biology lessons, medical training, curiosity-driven experimentation, and chemical, drug, food, and cosmetics testing. That is only in the U.S. Only 3% of animals tested on survive lab experiments. It is a law that you must test your product on an animal, for example, a drug, before giving it to people. The history of animal testing goes back to the writings of the ancient Greeks, the 4th and 3rd centuries BCE, with Aristotle, 384-322 BCE, and Erasistratus, 304-258 BCE, one of the first documented to perform experiments on animals. Although the first Humane Society was established in 1886, it was not until the end of the 19th century, when scientific disciplines were necessary for the education of physicians, that protests against the use of animals for experimentation became organized.
Animal experiments are cruel and very expensive. According to the National Institute of Health, $15 billion of taxpayers' money is spent in the U.S. annually on animal testing. The best working alternative to animal testing is, of course, humans. People have developed methods such as using human tissue and cells to test on, and also use highly advanced technology to examine the item. Some scientists have used human volunteers to perform experiments on. Alternatives such as these are less cruel because they don't suggest animals to involuntary experiments and give more accurate results because they use human DNA. Non-animal experiments are much cheaper because you don't have to buy testing animal or cages. In fact, according to the National Institute of Health, animal testing is 2 to 3 times the cost of using humans and human tissue for testing. My hope is that the unnecessary and unjust practice of animal testing is stopped. Some things you can do to help include buying cruelty-free supplies. Look for one of these Leaping Bunny logos or statement that says the product is cruelty-free. Boycott companies and universities that test products on animals. Donate to organizations that oppose testing. Spread the word by educating others. United, we can stop animal testing.